Welcome back to Decor. Today, we're diving into budget-friendly vintage home decor ideas using thrifted and upcycled finds. If you love mixing old-world charm with affordable creativity, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment with your favorite idea. I'd love to hear from you. Thrifting is more than just bargain hunting, it's treasure hunting. Each piece you find carries history and character that simply can't be replicated by mass-produced items. By shopping secondhand, you not only save money but also create a truly unique home. One of the best parts of vintage decorating is that nothing has to match perfectly. Combining different textures, patterns, and eras brings personality to your space. A rustic wooden frame paired with a brass candlestick, for example, instantly creates timeless charm. Don't overlook old furniture at thrift stores or garage sales. A worn-out dresser can be transformed with a coat of chalk paint, new knobs, or even wallpapered drawer fronts. Suddenly, a forgotten piece becomes a stunning statement in your home. Empty walls are the perfect canvas for thrifted art, mirrors, or old frames. Collect mismatched frames and create a gallery wall, or hang a vintage mirror to make a small room feel larger. These finds bring character and warmth instantly. Thrift stores are goldmines for vintage kitchenware. Mason jars can double as flower vases, and old teapots or pitchers can be used as charming planters. These pieces bring a nostalgic farmhouse vibe while being totally functional. Don't skip the fabric section. Vintage linens, lace, or patterned tablecloths can be repurposed as curtains, pillow covers, or even wall hangings. They add soft textures and colors that create a cozy, layered look. A dated lamp base or chandelier can be brought back to life with some paint or new shades. Vintage lighting has a way of anchoring a room and giving it a warm, inviting glow that modern fixtures often lack. Wooden crates, old trunks, or wire baskets can be used for stylish storage solutions. They not only keep your space organized but also double as decorative accents with that perfect vintage flair. Sometimes the tiniest finds make the biggest difference. Think antique books stacked on a coffee table, vintage clocks on a shelf, or brass candlesticks on a mantel. Small details are what pull the vintage look together. Thrifted items are also great for seasonal decorating. Old glass bottles for spring flowers, rustic baskets for autumn, or brass accents for the holidays. You can rotate your decor without spending a fortune. Don't feel pressured to go all in vintage. Mixing thrifted treasures with your modern pieces creates balance and makes your home feel personal. A mid-century chair paired with a sleek sofa is the perfect example of harmony. And that's a wrap on our budget-friendly vintage home decor ideas. I hope these thrifted and upcycled finds inspire you to look at secondhand pieces with fresh eyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more vintage inspiration, hit that like button, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. See you in the next video.